Jaranpung was Secretary Yad Nawa Sub-District, Sathon District City of Bangkok is now in a season. The Honorable Judge now presented. Please visit.
Member of jury, you are here today because the different Marvin have been accused of yelling that Mr. Pian have a bomb in airport. Under the Criminal Code of Thailand, Title 12, Offense Against Property, Chapter 1, Offense of Theft and Sedition. Under Section 384, whoever armed the public by necessarily committing false report shall be punished with imprisonment not including 1 month or fine not including 1,000 baht or both. That if you all agree that he guilty, then he will be punished, and if all of you agree that he is not guilty, then he will be free. The trial, you must listen carefully to all evidence. You may not speak or write or make sound during the trial, or you will be removed from the courtroom. Mr. Ben, proceed with open statement for the position.
Member of the jury, this is a case about the boy who thought he could get away with his work in an airport. The evidence in this case is going to show that on December 2 of 2017, the defendant Marvin walked into the airport, Nong Phae Bang, Hill District, to Parkan 10540. Thailand. After he walked into the airport, he shouted out loud that this airport have a bomb and run outside. When all people are panicked and scared. You will hear from Pham, who was working at the time, that he saw him shout out loud that in this airport have a bomb and run outside. I'm going to prove beyond a responsible doubt that the defendant Marvin is guilty for terrorism. After you have heard all the evidence in this case, I will ask you to return only where they guilty.
Thank you, Mr. Music. You may proceed with your open statement for the jury.
Member of this jury, my client Marvin is not guilty of this crime. The prosecution cannot prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. The evidence will show that Mr. Marvin never set foot in the 999 Nong Phae Bang Hill District, Samut Prakan 10540 Thailand. On December 2, he didn't go into the airport. He didn't shout thing about the bomb, and he wasn't even there. Marvin's friend, Mrs. Noy, will testify that Marvin was with her at his house at the time of this crime. So it was impossible for Marvin to have been at the airport. The only fair verdict in this case is not guilty. I repeat, not guilty.
Prosecution is for you witness. Mr. Music, will you swear the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth you may resist?
Please raise your right hand.
Good afternoon, please say your name and spell your last name for the record. Do you have a job?
Yes,
What is your job?
I work at 7-Eleven 167/4. So that public now road, Arun Amarin, Bangkok North, Bangkok, Thailand.
Did anything unusual happen December 2, 2017?
Yes,
What happened?
I was scheduled to people shoot that is about inside the airport.
What happened?
A boy with Mickey and black hair came into the airport. He shoot our road that in this airport have a bomb and when all people are panic and scared.
What time of the day this happened?
Around noon.
Do you see the boy in this courtroom today?
Yes,
Can you point him out for me?
he right over there.
Let the record reflect that the witness had identified the defendant Marvin.
Let the record reflect that witness has identified the different
Thank you.
different. You may cross-examine the witness.
Good afternoon, Mr. Park.
Good afternoon.
You wear glasses, correct?
Correct.
Because your eyesight is not that good.
Right.
Things look pretty blurry without them.
Right.
You forgot your glasses on the day, didn't you?
Yes, I forgot it.
So, you weren't wearing them when the boy shot?
Correct. But I still think I forgot to look at him.
Thank you. No future question.
Does the position have any more witness?
No, Your Honor, the prosecution dress.
The defense may call for witness.
The defense called Mrs. Ner.
Please raise your right hand.
Mrs. Ner, we use the word to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You may use this.
Please state your name and spell your last name for the record. Do you know Marvin?
Yes.
How do you know him?
We go to the same school.
Do you remember what you were doing on December 2, 2017?
Yes.
What were you doing?
Mommy and I spent the day at the house working on school project.
Did Marvin leave the house at all?
No. No, until 6 p.m. when we went home.
What time did he get to your house?
Around 10 a.m.
So he was definitely at your house at noon on that day.
Yes, eventually.
Thank you. No future question.
Position. You now may cross-examine the witness.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Nay. Your friend is Marvin, right? You know him since kindergarten.
Yes.
In fact, isn't it true Marvin is your best friend in the whole world?
I guess you could say that.
You would hate to see anything bad happen to him.
Yes, that's true.
You would do anything to help him, wouldn't you?
Worrying that I would lie.
Thank you, no further questions.
Does the defense have more witness?
No, Your Honor. The defense left.
Prosecution. You may now proceed with your closing argument.
Member of the jury, you are here today to decide whether or not Marvin is guilty of terrorism. There is only one clear answer. I have a problem beyond a responsible. Dr. Marvin shouted at the airport. Mr. Plum, who was working at the airport at this time, saw him go into the middle of the airport, shout out loud that there is a bomb inside this airport. All the people panicked and scared and left without paying, and she identified him right in this courtroom. Sure, he was wearing glasses, but he could see well enough to work at the airport, and he was sure that he saw Marvin shout out loud Now the defense is going to try to convince you that Marvin was not there, that he was at the house, but their witness is Lay's Mr. Lay. Mrs. Lay is Marvin's best friend in the whole world. He told you so. Friends would do anything to protect best friends in the whole world. He told you so. The truth about where Nellie was at the time of the terrorist member of the jury. I ask you to make correct decision and find Marvin guilty of that. Thank you.
Defense, you may now proceed with closing argument.
Member of the jury, the prosecution has not proven their case beyond a reasonable doubt. Yes, someone shot out loud at the airport, but it was not Marvin. Mr. Palm could not have known who shot at the airport because he wasn't wearing her glasses. He couldn't see clearly, and you know that there's no way Marvin could have been at the airport in the middle of the day because he was working hard on a project with Nai until 6 p.m. Yes, Nai is Marvin's good friend, but you hear him, he wouldn't lie to help out his friend. He was telling the truth when he said that Marvin in at her house at the time someone shot out loud at the airport. Unless you are sure that Marvin committed this crime, you must vote not guilty. There are many reasons to doubt the prosecution's case. You must find Marvin not guilty. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ray and Mr. Music. Member of UC, now in the time to deliberate, remember is the position job to go beyond the reasonable doubt that Marvin is guilty. If all of you are guilty, agree that he is guilty, then he will be punished. And if you all agree that he is not guilty, he will go free. The jury will now deliberate. Member of the jury, have you reached any verdicts?
Yes, Your Honor. We have reached a verdict that Marvin has been found guilty of them under Section 384. Whoever alarmed the public by military circulating fully shall be punished with imprisonment not exceeding 1 month or 5 hours, exceeding 1,000 baht or both.
On behalf of the court and all the parties, we rise to thank you, the Jew, for the approval.
All right, the South Criminal Court District Court Order Adjourned Number 63, Data 1. Sub-Prosecutor Southern District City of the Bangkok Court is now adjourned.